Have you ever wondered how tomato sauce is made? Follow along. Witness the dawn of modern agriculture as colossal machines expertly harvest nature's bounty. Our journey begins on the vast farm where advanced harvesters meticulously gather ripe tomatoes. Giant harvesters begin the journey collecting ripe tomatoes from the fields. The journey of transformation begins as fresh tomatoes arrive at the state-of-the-art factory. Giant machinery orchestrates the careful delivery of nature's bounty. The journey begins as fresh tomatoes enter a cleansing water flume. From the fields, perfectly ripe tomatoes begin their journey through advanced cleaning systems. An intricate conveyor system prepares the tomatoes for the next rigorous cleaning phase. Entering a high-pressure water vortex, each tomato undergoes an intensive, thorough cleanse. Advanced optical sorters initiate the meticulous process, ensuring only the finest tomatoes move forward. Invisible eyes instantly detect flaws, ensuring only pristine produce continues its journey. Any deemed unsuitable are swiftly diverted, maintaining product integrity. This precision ensures unmatched quality, foundational to every product. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Our experts rigorously check each batch, ensuring only the finest tomatoes meet our high standards. A river of perfectly ripe tomatoes flows into the colossal chopping machines. These automated marbles transform fresh tomatoes into a foundational slurry with precision. Robotic systems orchestrate the seamless transfer of the macerated pulp, ensuring purity. Enormous centrifugal machines now begin separating the liquid pulp from solid matter. High-speed spinning separates the valuable liquid pulp from unwanted solid material. The refined liquid pulp emerges a vibrant red, ready for the next stage of production. Automated precision ensures every tomato yields its best, maximizing efficiency. Precision extraction separates the vibrant pulp, a testament to modern food engineering. A synchronized display of efficiency, pure pulp flows while waste is meticulously removed. Waste reduction is key, with every byproduct efficiently managed for sustainable operations. Colossal cooking kettles receive the vibrant tomato pulp, initiating the sauce-making journey. Automated systems precisely manage the flow and temperature within these towering culinary vats. Real-time data streams ensure optimal conditions for perfecting each batch of sauce. With precision engineering, the pulp transforms into rich, flavorful ketchup and pasta sauce bases. Advanced automated systems meticulously manage the infusion of key ingredients. Liquid sweeteners are carefully added, ensuring the perfect balance. A proprietary blend of spices cascades, enriching the sauce's flavor profile. Every batch is perfected through rigorous automated quality control checks. The automated system ensures precise temperature control for optimal flavor development. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. In colossal kettles, the essence of perfect tomatoes begins its transformation. An array of advanced sensors continuously monitors every vital parameter. Across the vast factory floor, rows of automated kettles operate in perfect harmony. Robotic arms perform precise inspections, ensuring every batch meets rigorous standards. From a centralized control room, every aspect of production is meticulously managed. Advanced tests ensure every batch meets the highest standards for texture and consistency. Each batch must achieve the ideal color, a true testament to the quality of our ingredients. Only when all parameters align perfectly does the product receive final approval. Robotic precision adds fresh ingredients. Advanced sensors monitor every stage. From pulp to perfect sauce, a culinary transformation. The heart of sauce creation, powerful, precise machinery. Precision dispensers add fragrant Italian herbs, enhancing the rich tomato base. Advanced robotics ensure precise measurement, perfect for every batch. The herbs gently merge, infusing the rich sauce with authentic Italian flavor. This seamless integration of technology guarantees consistent premium quality. In colossal vats, rich pasta sauce simmers, transforming quality tomatoes into a culinary delight. Automated stirrers ensure every batch achieves perfect consistency, a testament to modern culinary precision. The vibrant hue and aroma indicate perfection as the sauce thickens to its ideal state. From the farm to the vat, every tomato is transformed, ensuring the highest quality in every spoonful. Our experts meticulously evaluate each batch, ensuring only the finest pasta sauce reaches your table. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. State-of-the-art instruments provide precise analysis, complementing our sensory evaluations. Every detail is scrutinized, guaranteeing consistency and superior taste in every jar. In the heart of the bottling hall, countless empty containers embark on their journey. An intricate dance of engineering guides each container precisely to its destination. A continuous flow of containers poised for their transformation into culinary staples. Precision and speed define this stage as hot sauces are meticulously filled into containers. Molten sauces crafted from the finest tomatoes are injected with incredible accuracy. Filled and ready, the containers move seamlessly to the next automated stage. Hundreds of units, perfectly filled and sealed, represent the triumph of modern food manufacturing. Precision meets speed as containers enter the final stage of preparation. Seamless automation ensures every product is perfectly sealed and ready for its identity. Each container receives its brand identity, a testament to quality and rapid throughput. From farm to finished product, perfection is sealed in every bottle. Precision robotics now handle the final packaging, ensuring every product is perfectly prepared for distribution. Each movement is calculated, showcasing unparalleled efficiency in handling delicate products.
This shift is going smoothly today. It really is. Almost time for the break.
This seamless automation guarantees product integrity and swift dispatch. The future of manufacturing, a symphony of steel and software, flawlessly bringing quality products to you. Precision robotics ensure every case is perfectly placed, maximizing efficiency. Advanced algorithms guide the robot, creating stable and secure pallet stacks. The automated system ensures relentless production and flawless execution. Advanced automation secures each pallet, ensuring products reach their destinations safely. Layer by layer, the film creates a robust shield protecting every product.
We need 3 more cases of the pasta sauce over here.
The perfectly secured pallet now moves ready for efficient distribution worldwide. Advanced autonomous forklifts orchestrate the seamless movement of finished products. Intelligent systems guide these vehicles, maintaining a flawless flow of inventory.
Okay, so the new shipment goes right here in Bay 4B. The system updated the 3D layout this morning.
Got it. I'll have the team move those pallets immediately.
Each pallet reaches its final destination, ready for worldwide distribution.
See you tomorrow, brother.
Yeah, enjoy the evening.
Yeah, you too, man.
Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.
Attention shoppers, don't forget our buy one, get one free special on all tomato products today.
Wow, that looks amazing.